Hello, Zafisha. कैसी हैं आप?
I'm well. How are you, Hasib?
I'm absolutely fine. I'm happy to be in Karachi for the Pakistan Travel Mart, organized by Ali Hamdani and Adiba and all the group. I was not expecting such a large
Participation, right?
participation.
Yeah. Look at the energy here, Hasib.
It's amazing.
It is.
Yeah.
And so many stalls and booths in hospitality and travel. It's
Yeah.
amazing.
So tell me, why did you come to Pakistan Travel Mart? Why did you travel to Karachi for all this?
Ever since we both moved back from Dubai, after living there for 18 years, I needed a purpose in life which was higher than self. And that was promoting tourism to Pakistan. You remember in 2019 in Islamabad,
Yeah, for sure.
where all the tourism ministers of different provinces came. I was very passionate then, and I'm very happy to be here again. My main purpose is to change the perceptions of Pakistan into people who live in other countries. You do know that when tourists come to Pakistan, they are truly amazed by the hospitality, the food, how even strangers just call them into their homes, especially in the mountains. We've lived in Hunza. You know how Hunza people are so friendly.
Yes.
And even in all the galyats of Pakistan has so much to offer.
So how is the perception of Pakistan different for the international people that you think these sort of events can actually benefit and help?
These events actually...
For the overseas Pakistanis and foreigners who are coming into Pakistan.
Hasib, you know, we've both attended the Arabian Travel Mart as well over there. And the more marketing is done there. About 2 years ago, before all the Middle East issues started, Pakistan was marketing Hunza a lot. And do you know, just the summer after that, a lot of people came to Hunza just because of that promotion. So we need these events because they get international marketing coverage too. And Pakistan is a lovely place. People love coming here. They don't know what they are missing. We have lakes which are as beautiful as Lake Louise near Calgary or the pine forests anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
You know, the
or the mountains of Scotland.
The highest mountains, K2 is there, but even in Hunza, we have the 8,000ers as they are called.
That's so true.
So rock climbers can come in anytime.
Pleasantly surprised to see so many foreigners are visiting and attending this Pakistan Travel Mart 2026 here in Karachi. Despite all the perceptions about politics and turbulence in the region, despite all that, so many foreigners are here.
Yeah. The last Travel Mart, there were more international people, especially from the Middle East. So we missed out on that at this time. But you see people from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Korea. We met a person who is living in Madrid.
Right.
He's running a travel company.
Right.
So I love the participation here.
No, this is very good, and hats off to the organizers
Absolutely.
of Pakistan Travel Mart.
Absolutely.
And we wish all the attendees all the best also.
And one last thing before I sign off is that it is the responsibility of every Pakistani when they go abroad to show what kind of beauty they have inside their personalities, and that beauty will be reflected when they come to Pakistan and see the nature here.
That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Thank you very much, Zafisha. It's been a pleasure to talk to you on air at Pakistan Travel Mart. Yeah.
Thank you, Hasib.
Thank you. God bless you guys, and keep promoting tourism in Pakistan. Yeah, that's your moral right. That's your inherent right. And then let's promote the perception. Let's improve the perception of Pakistan to the non-Pakistanis that we are not a terrorist country. We believe in tourism. We believe in, we have destinations that people pay a lot of money to go to Switzerland and so on and so forth in other places. But Pakistan has very hidden gems.
True.
Wish you all the best, and thank you very much for watching this.
God bless.
You. And if you really want to experience this Pakistan Travel Mart, then 2027 is around the corner. So make sure that you also visit over here or have a stall over here. Seriously, B2B businesses for the travel business, this is the place where you need to be for sure. All the best to you. Thank you.